Alright guys, welcome to this video. It's been a while. I did a video on coin review. I'm going to be showing you a particular cryptocurrency that is really interesting. I have a whole lot to share with you in so many things I'm buying in crypto. But if today is the first time watching our videos, welcome to Deep Tutors. In Deep Tutors, we make videos that are good for a pocket. As you can see, we make video talking about different kind of things happening in the financial market, most especially cryptocurrency and the forex market. So we'll do analysis every day, sharing with you what will happen in the market. As you can see, the video we have in our channels, these are everyday market analysis. So if you want to be getting market analysis of what is happening in the market, you need to subscribe, like our videos, and turn on the bell notification so you can also get all our updates. And also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Check the link in the description and join our Telegram channel right away. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing something with you, a particular cryptocurrency that I saw that is really interesting, and I want to share that with you. Let's go to the video right now. Alright, this is the cryptocurrency market. As you can see, the total market cap is around 1.2 trillion. As you can see, the 24-hour trading volume is 100 billion. The trading volume is actually dropping, but the market cap is actually growing. But to me, I don't think that the bear is over. I think we can actually go more lower. As you can see, Bitcoin at 24,000, Ethereum has 1,900. We're talking about one of the biggest news on Ethereum, whereby that Ethereum is moving from proof of work to proof of stake. I can tell you on the long term, that's very huge for Ethereum network. I believe Ethereum will see the price of 20,000, 30,000 in the future. Not right now. I believe getting Ethereum at the bottom of this bear market is one of the best things you can do. Guys, for me, I still believe that the market is still going to go down. Coupled with everything happening in the market, I don't think we are over yet. I can tell you, we are still going to go down, guys. You just have to pay attention and know when to buy. All right, I want to show you a particular cryptocurrency that's very interesting. This is just a quick video of a particular cryptocurrency called Arbidoge. You can see. All right, so I want to draw your attention to this particular cryptocurrency called Arbidoge. To some people, is a meme token. Yeah, but this is a meme with difference. Based on my research, I was doing research about a coin called SHIBA INU. Many people know about this cryptocurrency. By early January 2021. If you're able to buy SHIBA INU at that time with only $100, you would have been making more than $10 million. Because at that time, SHIBA INU did not even have a trading volume. There was no trading volume at all. I think the trading volume was a couple of $500 or less than $100 in 24-hour trading volume. Now, that was what I saw when I was doing research. Now, when I saw this particular cryptocurrency called Arbidoge, I started doing research. Now, this is the first cryptocurrency or the first token built on the Arbitrum network. Now, Arbitrum is one of the Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. Now, not just one of the Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. Now, Arbitrum has one of the highest TVL locked on L2 bits. I'm going to be showing that in a bit. So I just want to draw your attention to this. So this particular crypto called Arbidoge, as you can see, the 24-hour trading volume right now is around $9,000. Now, it was not like this few days ago. Like last week, this was around $57. Now, I did a post on my Twitter talking about this particular crypto. At that time, the trading volume was around 1,000. Early today, I think yesterday, the 24-hour trading volume of this particular token was around $15,000. Now, what does that mean? It means that a whole lot of people are beginning to see this particular crypto and they want to start getting into it. I just want to bring your attention to it. It is not a financial advice. Now, this is just for me to bring your attention to it. To me, I have two mind right here. Is either I make 100x from buying this or the money go to zero. But I'm going to put a very small amount of money in this token, probably $100 or $200, and I'm acquiring this coin because why? Imagine if it does 100x or 1000x like SHIBA INU and different other cryptocurrency is amazing. Now, the reason why I'm buying it is because of the things I see. I'm going to be showing you that. Number one reason, this is the first token built on the Arbitrum network, the first token. And Arbitrum doesn't have a native token. There is there is no team. Like, there's no way you can see their team or to look out for what they are doing or their roadmap. I can tell you, if you're trying to check all these things, you won't be able to buy SHIBA. But SHIBA made a lot of money. Daddy, I don't want to analyze so much. Even the cryptocurrency that you analyze so much still go to zero. All you need to do, you understand that this is the financial market. Buy when people are fearful, and sell when people are greedy. That is just it. Now I can tell you right now, people are fearful. I'm really interested in getting this particular token called Arbidoge and sell when people are greedy. Imagine when people started buying Shiba Inu when the market cap already running in billions. A lot of people lost money. As you can see right here, the 24-hour trading volume, the total supply is around 10 trillion, and all these token is already on Uniswap. There is no token, locked. There is no token for the team. All of them is 100% on Uniswap. It's amazing. Some of the things I saw here. As you can see, the market really crashed. You can see the price action really went down, which brings a massive opportunity for people. You can see we are currently at the flat lows. For me, I will just get in and see what happens. I can tell you, is that I win or I lose. That is just it. All right, as you can see, the increment in the last 30 days, 108%. Is amazing the kind of growth this cryptocurrency had in a very short while. As you can see, you can check their website. So this is their website. You can actually check their website to see more things around this particular cryptocurrency. You can see Arbidoge is the first Dogecoin fork, as well as the first native token to launch on the newly released Arbitrum network. Guys, this is for me. I don't know the people behind this, but I just want to like placing bets in this kind of cryptocurrency. I'm not telling you to place bets. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. It is up to you to know what to do. As you can see, total supply is around 10 trillion, and liquidity pool is about 80% of the token. All of them is being right there. They have actually bought 20% of the token, and 0 token for the team. The team does not have any token on their own. It's amazing, very, very transparent, and the contract address is verified. You can actually verify their contract address. You can actually go to and see everything happening right there. It's amazing what I saw here, and I was like, okay, I just have to start buying. All right, so this is the contract address, 100% verified. It's amazing, guys. So let me show you what I dropped on Twitter a few days ago. So all right, so this is my Twitter handle. If you're not following me on Twitter, you are missing out. Check the link in the description and follow me on Twitter right now. I said Arbidoge, to me, this is one of the most interesting meme coin in the next bull market. Now, Arbidoge is the first token launch on Arbitrum network, the biggest in TVL on Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. Check out on L2Bit. As you can see, when I made this post few days ago, the 24-hour trading volume was around $1,122. Now, the all-time high after I made this post was around $15,000 trading volume. That's about 4x. That means if you have taken advantage of when I posted it on Twitter, would have already made 4x. But that is not what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the long term, because the long term is going to be very big. If you're not following me on Twitter, check the link in the description below and follow me on Twitter. So guys, so this is what I posted. I'm really, really bullish on this particular token called Arbidoge. So you can see, so this is their kind of DEX 2. If you know about DEX 2 or DEX Guru, so this is Arbitrum DEX 2 their chatting system. So this is where you can actually see a whole lot happening in this particular cryptocurrency called Arbidoge. You can actually check the chart. The chart is actually down, like it is very, very flat. What does that mean? It means that this is an opportunity for anyone to get in. Amazing, guys. This is an opportunity for anyone that is interested. As you can see, the market is currently at the floor level. Guys, this is the floor level. Putting in a couple of $100, $200, even $20 or $1 or $2, it is, it's worth the risk to guys. It's worth the risk. I just try to show you guys this for you to know if you can do it. As you can see, the market cap is around $184,000. You can see trading volume is 10k. Liquidity is around 28,000. They put around 15 Ethereum on the liquidity. The liquidity is locked forever. It's amazing what we have right here, and I'm really interested in getting this token. As you can see, people purchasing, doing buying and selling. You can see people buying $51, $2, $19, $9. You can see someone buying 900. Okay, someone sold 992. You can see. So these are the things people are doing here. For me, I just want to buy and hold for long term. I am not trading this, so I just want to show you guys for you to see what I'm actually talking about. Okay, guys. So this is the L2Bit. About a total of 5.97 billion is already locked on the Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. Now, the first one here that has the highest liquidity locked is Arbitrum. This is Arbitrum, and Arbitrum has about 2.95 billion. Guys, it's amazing. This is insane. Now look at Optimism. Optimism is 1.8. Optimism has also launched their coin. You can see DYDX, Loop Ring, all these layer 2 has their own native token. So this is Mentis. Mentis also have their own. ZK Sync is launching their own coin very soon. I think they're going to be doing airdrop. You can see Immutable X. You can see Boba. Boba has their own token. Arbitrum doesn't have their own token. Now, I am not saying that Arbitrum is the one that owns Arbidoge. I'm not saying that. Probably they're going to be releasing their own token. But for this particular token, being the first to launch in their platform, honestly, it's bring a whole lot of attraction. If you check the Arbitrum ecosystem, the ecosystem is massively growing. It's amazing. The ecosystem is massively growing. You can see how so many cryptocurrency, top cryptocurrency that we know, is migrating to Arbitrum chain. You can see Tether, USDC, DAI, Wrapped Ethereum, Chainlink, Uniswap. You can see this is huge, guys. For me, Arbitrum is going to get a lot of attraction during the layer 2 season in the next bull market. You can see Woo Network. It's amazing what we have right here. The opportunity of getting to the first meme in the layer 2, guys, is amazing. For me, I see that as a big opportunity to take advantage of, and I feel like sharing with you guys so you guys will not miss out. But this is not a financial advice. Like I said, it is just for me to show you what I'm doing. It's up to you whether to do it or not. But obviously, I'm going to be buying this token. There's no way I won't buy it. I just want to tell you guys what I'm actually doing. So where can you buy it? Alright, so this is where you can buy it. It is only sold on the SushiSwap. Yeah, SushiSwap under Arbitrum. SushiSwap has already migrated to Arbitrum network. All you need to do is to download MetaMask, or if you know how to use Trust Wallet, and connect the Arbitrum wallet. You can go on Google and get all the details you need to connect to Arbitrum network on your MetaMask. All you need to do is just to come here, copy the link, and send your Ethereum using Arbitrum network. You can use any of the exchange like Binance, KuCoin, OKS. All of these exchange has Arbitrum network withdrawal. Now you withdraw that Ethereum with Arbitrum network. You're not withdrawing with ERC. You're only withdrawing with Arbitrum network. Obviously, the Ethereum will land on your MetaMask, and you can be able to buy this particular token. You know, like I said, non financial advice. It's just for me to show you what I'm doing, and I can tell you this is really amazing. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Expect more videos because I'm going to be making more videos about cryptocurrency I am buying for long term. I have a whole lot in my list. I've been doing research, a whole lot that has been happening in the market. I have a whole lot to share with you guys. If you don't want to miss that video, all you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification. See you in the next video. Bye.